How do you get reviews for your Amazon business? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Amazon has made it harder and harder to get reviews for your business. So in this video series, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about engineering your own reviews for your Amazon store. Now, if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, you want to do that because this is part of a seven video series all about a heap of different ways to get reviews for Amazon, ranging from completely white hat to absolutely black hat. So you want to make sure you subscribe. In this video, we're going to look at using an engineered email list to get reviews for your business. Next, let me share a link with you. You guys should sign up to go and stalk these people. They're super cool. Instanatural. It's not my business, although I do know the guys what run it. Send to all. There you go. Now more than ever, oh my goodness, it is insane not to have your own website for selling on Amazon as well. I just think you'd have to be nuts not to be selling your products in other places as well as Amazon. I'm not saying you don't sell on Amazon, far from it. Amazon's awesome. I make a shitload of money on Amazon, but you absolutely ought to be selling your own stuff on your own website too, okay? Because you can control the game. And they're your customers. You can market to them. You can do what the hell you want. Kind of like Zuckerberg and Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Facebook group, okay? Anyway, so having a way to get your customer's email address and then using that email address to launch products and then request reviews, that is a solid gold strategy. Yeah, that's Instanatural. They're best sellers. And here's how Instanatural do this. So let me just share this link with you. Instagram, by the way, send to all, one of the best platforms, social media platforms for, I'm going to say the majority of Amazon products for social media is Instagram. Really cool platform. If you're in my inner circle, this coming week, this coming Thursday, we're doing all about Instagram. We're doing all about Instagram, how to do Instagram shops, how to set up Instagram for your Amazon business. It's going to be awesome. Victoria is doing that. She does my social media for me. She's going to show you what she is up to, okay? Here's something I just checked. So they've got one link on there. Typically, you only get one link in your description. So look where Instanaturals goes to. They send their link to Target. Isn't that interesting? So they've now taken a very big channel for them and used it to start selling their stuff on Target. Anyway, super interesting. I sell on Walmart, great platform. Target, I'm going to go there next if I can. That's super cool. Anyway, I just noticed that, thought it was super cool. So they use Instagram. They also are using Facebook, of course, to get people to opt in. I'll give you this one too. So this is why I get you to set up all this social media, send to all, because then you can utilize it to get people to opt in, give you their email address, and by doing that, you can then market to them, launch products to them, and of course ask for reviews for them. Now, if you are in my inner circle, by the way, and you're thinking, shit, I didn't know we could do all that crap. Here is, when did we cover that? So if you're in my inner circle, you've got this document, by the way, Inner Circle peeps. There you go. Done. So March and April, that's when I covered how to go about building a community off of Amazon how to go about developing email lists and shit like that, okay? So I covered it in March and April. So if you've forgotten it all, go back and have a look, because it's all there for you, okay? All right, so that's that. I'm not going to get too deep into the how to do that, because that's not really the purpose of this particular thing. Suffice to say, social media and having a way for people to give you their email address, hugely important strategy for your Amazon success. Hugely important. And that's all white hat, all jolly splendiferous. Hi, I'm Neil Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and we've helped over 2,000 people right here in Australia start their very own profitable Amazon business and go from zero to over $50 million in sales and growing on Amazon right here in Australia. We're the largest community of online sellers anywhere in Australia, and you can find out more at AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au.